Good morning, everybody. My name is Dev Singh. So today we discussed about the ABCD parameter. So already last class we discussed about the G parameter, H parameter, Y parameter. Next we are entering into the ABCD parameter. So ABCD parameter is also called the transmission parameter, tree parameter, and cascade parameter and chain parameter. So when we are entering into the parameter, ABCD parameter, so first we discussed about one parameter and two parameters. So one port parameter, one port network and two port network in the sense, one port network in the sense a network that has only one terminal is called the one port network. Two port network in the sense a network that has two terminal is called the two port network. For example, you consider here voltage one port. This is a one port network. If you have two is having, then we can call it as a two port network. Okay. So first we discuss the ABCD parameter. So we have four parameters, that is A, B, and C and D. So these are the four parameters. First, two port network. First, in one port network, we are applying the input voltage V1. When we are applying the input voltage V1, we are generating the current I. This is the one port network. First, entering into point. Next, leaving in the point, we can call it as a receiving point. V2 is the second element. So when we are applying the input voltage V2, current is generated is I. Okay. In the same way, in one port point, we are applying the voltage, that is supply voltage. Vs we have to call the supply voltage. So when we are supplying voltage, same current is also generated. So that's why we can call it as a Is. This is a port number 1 point. That is transmitting point. In the same way, receiving point of view. So receiving voltage we can call it as a Vr. That is receiving point. So when we are applying the voltage VR, current is also generated. So that's we can call it as that current we can call it as IR, receiving current. So now I2 and IR are both of the reverse direction. So that's why we can call it as a negative VR. So that's why, so in port number 1, what is the number? Vs is the supply voltage, port number 1, Vs is the supply voltage. Next, Vs in point of what we can call it as a V1. In the same way, current is what is that of Is is the current, supply current. So current is equal to, we can call it as a I1. This is port number 1, port 1 point of view. Same port number 2 point of view, port 2 point of view. Port 2 is what is that? Receiving. So voltage is what is that? VR is the receiving voltage. So VR is equal to what is that? Which current we can flow? V2 current is flowing, voltage is flowing. Next, current is what is that? IR. IR reverse is equal to, now you can observe direction of the current. I2 is reverse direction to the IR. So that's why we can return I2. So these two, port number 1 and port number 2, we can write in voltage some function of receiving. So that's first port number 1, what is having? Vs. Second one, the current is what is that? Is. Matrix form, written in matrix form, is equal to some function. So in second point of view, what is that? VR, that is in place of VR, the transmitting part. The receiving part is what is that? VR. Next, current point of view, what is that? IR. So these two, VSIS, function of VR, IR. So these two we can return in some voltage into current function. So first one, port number 1, what is that? Vs is equal to voltage. Some parameter, 4 parameter is there. First one is A, first parameter. A into, what is that? A into VR plus B into IR. Okay, same way. Current Is is equal. So 2 parameter is completed. Next, third one is what is that? C parameter. C into VR plus V into what is that? IR. So this is the function. This is the voltage into some current function. We can write in matrix form. Okay. So from this Vs, already Vs is equal to what is that? Already V1 is equal to A into VR in the sense receiving voltage in the sense V2 plus B. We know that IR is equal to what is that? IR is equal to minus of I2. So directly I am writing in place of plus I can write minus into I2. We can call it as equation number 1. Next one is what is that number? From IS point of view. So IS is equal to C into parameter into VR in the sense what is the port number 2 receiving voltage is equal to, we can call it as a V2 plus next one is minus is there minus B into I2. So this we can call it as a equation number 4. From equation number 1 and equation number 2, first I want to receiving part in the port number 2 and call it as I2 is equal to 0. That I2 is equal to 0, we can substitute in equation number 1. So what we are getting, I2 is equal to 0 means this part is 0. Finally we are getting V1 is equal to A1 into V2. Okay, now parameter A is equal to, we can written as A is equal to what is that? V1 by V2 at what is that? I2 is equal to 0. This we can call it as a reverse voltage gain. So A we can call it as a reverse voltage gain. Where it is port number 2, I2 is equal to 0. In the sense port number 2, I2 is equal to open circuit reverse voltage gain. So A we can call it as a open circuit reverse voltage gain. That is A parameter. Next coming to the B parameter. So B parameter, so if I want B parameter from equation number 2, same I2 is equal to, we are substituting the value 0. So IS in the sense, generally we can call it as IS in the sense equal to I1. So I1 is equal to C into V2. Okay, why? Because here I2 is equal to 0 value. So I want C is equal to what is that? I1 by V2 and I2 is equal to 0. So C parameter we are getting also, A parameter also we are getting the value. Next one is that B and D value is 0. So B and D value, so I can substitute the current I1 is equal to 0. From equation 1, I1 is equal to 0 means, because V2 is equal to 0. So V2 is equal to 0 means we are getting the value, what is that? V1 is equal to minus B I2. If I want parameter B parameter we are getting the value, what is that? V1 minus of I2. When it is V2 is equal to 0. So B parameter also we are getting the value. Next is what is that? A, B, C. Next one what is that? D parameter is there. So general. So D parameter. So this can be, this can be D parameter. So this is also D parameter. So now again we can substitute V2 is equal to 0. So IS in the sense I1 is equal to minus DI2. So now D is equal to, we are getting what is that? Minus I2 by I1 when it is V2 is equal to 0. So this is the ABCD parameter. Thank you.